All right, welcome back to my channel. So, still on the issue of this visit of Gentle to one Eggman like that. He appeared on his platform. I have reacted on it earlier today, and I want you to understand that that reaction is just the beginning because a lot of people are going to talk about it. Then somebody that I did not expect to talk at this hour have talked, which is Akparawa. As you can see on the title, I said discipline is the code of conduct. Akparawa Sonny attack BLA gentle. You know, one thing you need to understand that in life, sometimes in life, what you throw to other people will somehow find a way to bounce back. If somebody told you before now that Sonny Akparawa or Genkere we forever talk about discipline in all their statement, in all their speech, would you have believed that? I don't think you would entertain that kind of thing. They are not talking about being disciplined in terms of military or in the movement. Discipline, wow, that's the least thing that I expected from them. But guess what? They are not talking about them. He made mention of that in his speech or in his post rather. So we are going to go through it because I have a lot to talk to discuss. Not a lot like a lot. You know what I mean? I have something to share. It doesn't matter the minutes or the time we're going to spend, but the thing is this: the thing is that we need to understand what is playing out. You see, the reason why I told us always distance yourself from anything criminality, do not support evil. If you say truth, say it. Stand on the side of the truth. Do not allow yourself to be overshadowed with this kind of cheap propaganda, trying to lure you to something that you cannot defend yourself on. Sonny Akparawa is not talking about discipline because Gentle appeared on Master platform because of they want them, according to them, they needed support and all that. Earlier today, I talked about the cry of Lazuba, her own reaction. Now let's go to Sonny Akparawa's reaction. Before then, though, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. You see, I don't. These guys, these people. Anyway, let me just. I'm just laughing because the whole thing seems like just playing like a movie before everybody. We saw how the whole thing happened, how they managed to blackmail anybody. Oh, DBM Ngozi that one always Ngozi Fulani is no longer that Fulani woman. Madam Babao, she's no longer with the BLA. BLA have have made it to everybody that they cannot work together. Ngozi, that Buduzo don't want to talk about Ngozi, that kind of thing. We saw everything, we watched it unfold. And today, they are now somehow lamenting and complaining. Listen, this post was made by Sonny Akparawa himself. As you can see, the date, 20th February 2026. And 13 hours ago, as of the time of recording the video, 13 hours ago. So some of you could be yesterday or the day before yesterday. I don't know what your time, but I'm just following your front time. Now listen, we are going to go through this short post. You come down here, and they have tests. Okay, I'm gonna go after this. We check the comments. He said, "Wisdom is profitable. They brought BNL Prince Will and destroyed his team, and now another person. He don't want to mention who. He said, and now another person. Discipline is the code of conduct. When you put yourself out for dominations, the enemies will sway into and destroy you." Referring to Gentle. Don't worry, I will tell you what he's trying to say here. Don't be distracted, Biafrans, but you can see this. You can see those dragging your angels out for monetary validation to seek relevance while destroying them, but safety first. It is self-explanatory, but I'm going to tell you something here. I felt so pained, I felt so angry within me. So you know all those things. So you know what is discipline. So you know what is called code of conduct. So you know. So you actually understand that enemy can put them in a tight corner for total destruction. So you are aware of that. So you are aware that these guys people can instigate something and pretend that they're helping them, but they're actually looking for a way to eliminate. And he said, don't distract. Don't be distracted, Biafrans, trying to revive their members that are seen through these actions, and they'll be like, I thought you are the one in charge of my PM. He's telling them, don't be distracted. You can see those dragging your angels out. Really? So dragging angels out is not a sin. Wow, I didn't know that. I have another message that I will share here on this particular video. He said, they drag them out. They're dragging he used the word your angel. So no longer his angel. So Akparawa. The same way he always tell you that PM is your PM. Are you connecting the dots? Biafrans, you can see those dragging your angels out. Look at it here. Look at it here. Read it. You can see those dragging your angels out for monitoring validation to seek relevance. Really, the same relevance that you and Ogegre seek for months and use because of relevance and destroy everything about BLA and the love and everything that Biafrans who are donating the money had on them. You destabilize everything. You thwarted the whole link up simply because you want to be relevant. You want to remain as Minister of Information, forever. In perpetuity, you want to be in charge at all costs. The same seeking for relevance that you cooked up a story that PM told you this and that, therefore you now have APM, and that is not relevant. They did not give the relevance you wanted enough. You now move from there to PM. Since you have named Ogekere PM, and your own urges that ask you why, you guys said because you have a document, you expect to sign a document. How many documents have you signed with that name APM, with that name PM? Doshi. Let me go back again so that after this we're going to move to that thing, because I just want you to understand what the write-up is all about and compare it with what this guy have done in the past. Wisdom is profitable. They brought PBNL, that's Prince Will, and destroyed them and destroy his team. And now another person that is referring to GentleThe as of first. You get the point. Just a moment. I want to get this done. Just a moment. Let me. Sorry about that. I have to, make sure that I fix one or two because I don't want any distraction. Now listen. Wisdom is profitable. They brought BNL Prince Will and destroyed his team. And now another person, referring to GentleThe, like I told you earlier. Discipline is the code of conduct. When you put yourself out for domination, the enemies will swear into destroy you. Will swear into destroy you. A kind of advice to Gentle: you are putting yourself in danger. You are putting yourself in the position for enemy to eliminate you, to destroy you, to manhandle you, and that kind of thing. That's the war from Akparawa. Now, Mazakwa and the group are doing what Akparawa and Ogekere started. Of course, Mazakwa was with them then, but they know themselves. All right? He said again, don't be distracted, Biafrans. But you can see those dragging your angels out for monitoring validation to seek relevance while destroying them. Those dragging them out are seeking relevance while destroying them because they don't care about them as long as they're seeking for relevance. The same thing Ogekere, son Akparawa, did. Okay? Destroying them, but safety first. That a kind of, they should consider safety first. You are referring this to, he's referring this to BLA, BLA, that is Biafran Liberation Army, and of course to GentleThe himself. Now I'm going to go through a comment before I bring another video to prove to you what I just said that Son Akparawa and Ogekere did in the past regarding BLA. Listen, you people should stop pushing us back. You are so desperate. Biafrans, are you people not sure it might be Ogekere who betrayed Simon Ekpa Njoko? Allegedly, I don't believe in any current government until MNK and Simon Ekpa Njoko comes out. Otu Lazuba, and then in the autopilot department. Freedom Song said, if the men are going from platform to platform sourcing for money, it means that Ogekere has failed them. Taking care of the home. Land security should be a top priority, not other way around. Confucianists. This one said again, don't be distracted, Biafran, but you can see those dragging your engines out for monetary validation to seek relevance while destroying them. But safety first, bro. Those people are Biafrans. You people should find a way to come back enough. Enough, Ekpa said. Come together, that is the key. He copied his word and tried to add one or two things. Now they have brought in Yahoo to boost their fundraising. Nkiru, and that's I think an NKY, it should be Nkiru, as usual, responded emotionally and gave Onowu. I told you, Nkiru responded as usual, responded emotionally and gave Onowu $500 tonight. Nkiru stated that it is only through Onowu, that's I don't know, that the men on ground are currently receiving their money. No problem. Time will tell how this ends. They are dragging themselves here and there. The same thing they started with USB government. Now, he said, Chuk said again, CRC and BGC, that's Eggman, I don't know, have brought American lawyer and GentleThe Yahoo to boast their fundraising. No problem. We shall see how it ends. That's the Ogekere for you. They always threaten and pushing. The same thing with Mazawa and all these names that, this is an internal battle that they started and they're going to handle it by themselves. He said, the hungry Onowu and Eggman are very desperate for Biafran money to be using it for their well-being. The same thing that Yogo has been doing for years. Come on. Breaking. Madam Nkiru said tonight that Onowu is the right source where the money is getting to men on ground. No problem. We shall see how it ends. And I'll still repeat yourself. It will not last. Anything built on falsehood will definitely collapse. Thank you that you noticed that. And that's how you build APM falsehood. You build PM and another falsehood. You change document, falsehood. You claim that you are doing it, have a handshake. All these guys, you guys don't have brain. That's why I felt like most of them are doing what they're doing intentionally. You saw how other people, push, the agenda to, congressmen, and how people that decide to visit parliament in Israel, what happened? They not spend, exorbitant amount on the lobby to push the Biafran movement or Biafran cause to parliament in Israel. The same thing in Australia. US government are doing wonders. But Ogenkere and their group, their priority is to deceive Biafrans, pretending to get this done when they offer nothing. All right, like I promised you, I have something to share with you. I want you to pay close attention to this video, okay? I just pay attention so you understand what happened here.
To confirm here is that they have
listen.
Acting prime minister, but the truth that you need to confirm here is that they have admitted now.
This is Mazakwa when he was still with Ogenkere. Okay? Back then. Here it is.
Telling you that she want to hear it go over. This is only army. They have admitted that voice they heard is troubling them because the voice they heard is Butozo.
Now, because Akparawa said that somebody is dragging them out, right? This is Akparawa, Mazakwa, and Ogenkere dragging BLA Hugo Butozo out to record the voice and send to them to validate them, to give them relevance. Akparawa likely said, relevance, and for them to boast, their shenanigans, to make Biafran to see them that they are the right channel. This is how they started then, pushing Butozo to record a voice and send to them. And they were doing that, seeking for relevance while putting their life in danger. According to what Akparawa is saying now. But now they are now still, Mazakwa and their group are not doing that thing. They're not doing it to them now, and he's crying baby. Now here Mazakwa defending the voice note that Atta'ck should say that the voice note is not Butozo. And they said about the talk because Oyami did something very, very important then. Figured out a way to communicate with the Butozo, for Butozo to also do the needful in USB government, in USB government regards, and that did not go down well with Ogenkere and Mazakwa here. I'm not gonna say much. Hear it for yourself.
Acting prime minister, but the truth that you need to confirm here is that they have admitted now. You see, Atta'ck telling you that she want to hear it go over. This is only army. They have admitted that voice they heard is troubling them because the voice they heard is Butozo voice. This one have direct contact because she doesn't gave him direct contact of Butozo. He has confirmed now that voice, that door and door, that Chinekega is telling Butozo, when you speak, I will know. Let me not talk too much. Our able active prime minister is here. Let me give him the mic to dissect this particular voice before we go to the next one.
Before his able prime minister coming, this guy is here trying to tell you that voice is troubling them. Meaning that the reason why they ask Butozo to record the voice and send to them is for that voice to trouble USB government and to make Ogenkere become relevant and to make people begin to run away from USB government declared to follow Ogenkere, because in that little brain, anybody that Butozo love is the right channel. And so Butozo's decision, supersede Biafran declared. And these guys are still doing the same thing up till now. So now that they brought Gentle, is also to trouble the minds of Ogenkere, and of course, and the autopilot of Gukuna and Atta'ck. This is what they do, and this is what they normally do. It did not start today. But I'm surprised that Akparawa is trying to, play devil advocate here. Are you not the one that actually you are in support? You are in support of all these things, isn't it? Why? What has changed? Is it because you couldn't bring him to your platform? And so now Eggman have done that with their group, and you are now like Eggman likely said, is now troubling Akparawa. Listen.
Prime Minister, please, you have the mic, sir.
Now let's get even to
Thank you very much. And how they able to even call Butozo is the contact they have earlier when everything started, but now they can't even reach him again. This it just happened that that's one of his old line that they have, but that's what it is. That's what it is.
Now, Ogenkere is here bragging that Oyami managed to contact Butozo because of the old number of the producers is still active. But that is what it is. They cannot even reach him again now because have already instructed Butuzo to drop that number so that that number will not be reachable again. This goes to in line with when we tell you that this man also told them at that time, stop, do not do any other thing. Since God said that she's the one in control of the land, because it's the Biafrans, whereas you guys are already with me. And she's saying that BLA is with her. Okay, therefore, stop protecting, stop doing anything. Leave everywhere empty so that Asad Ogbo can now come in and buy people. And when Asad Ogbo boss came, begin to buy people. There's a video which I'm still looking for that video again, where they buy a guy that was going to fetch water, if you remember, and they drop, empty shield of gravel. I don't know, you know what I mean. They drop it and Shadow showed how they drop it. Although they use that to buy that guy, and they find gravel from the guy's pocket. Outside the people were moving in, freely picking people for fun, whereas this Ogen instructed people to follow him, should not do anything. The same instruction that he gave to Butuso, according to him here, change your line so that nobody will contact you again. The dog can tell you after giving that instruction how he protected our land that time. None of them can give you any account. This Eggman was there shouting together with Betty Ford. Are you following? Now listen again because I want you to take notes of what's happened here.
This man called Philip Ajuke Onyam is an evil human being. If you are listening to his utterances, you will find out that he's threatening.
I'm going to take it back a little bit, all right? So that without interrupting it, so that you can hear it naturally, okay? I don't want to just compare everything that I just told you about this message. So you can now understand when we tell you something, don't joke with it. We are saying it based on what we have already heard in the past. All right, and we managed to have some of these clips, well saved and well documented. Hear it again, please.
Direct contact of Butuzo. He has come to Prime Minister, but the truth that you need to confirm here is that they have admitted now. You see, Adandocho telling you that she wants to hear Igbo Butuzo. This is only army. They have admitted that voice they heard is troubling them because the voice they heard is Butuzo voice. This one have direct contact. Because Ugozi gave him direct contact of Butuzo. He has confirmed now that voice, that door and jaw, that Chineke is telling Butuzo, when you speak, I will know. Let me not talk too much. Our able active prime minister is here. Let me give him the mic. Particular voice before we go to the next one. Able active prime minister, please, you have the mic, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. And how they able to even call Butuzo is the contact they have earlier when everything started, but now they can't even reach him again. This, it just happened that that's one of his old line that they have, but that's what it is. That's what it is. This man called Philip Ajuke Onyam is an evil human being. If you are listening to his utterances, you will find out that he's threatening a man that is safeguarding our land, a man that has sacrificed a lot, a man that is doing everything. Can you imagine the kind of people that are working with Ngozi Orondes? There's a lot of other audio, both the one he sent to Vision 555 and other people. It's a lot. And this is audio that he recorded and sent to this general. It's not like Ngozi that record people. He's not, no one recording. He recorded himself and sent this audio. And this how Ngozi come. Be terrorizing a lot of people you see working with Ngozi today. This is how they call them. And terrorize them. This is how they call them. There's this other one that live in New Jersey, is called himself Pastor Valentine. All these evil people, they always want to answer clergy name, pastor, reverend, like Ebenezer Code. They are just the same, very, very evil. This man called Philip Ajoke, he's part of the redeclaration committee. I added him membership. But we went to Finland. He did not contribute a dime into it. He came in one of our meetings about a month ago before I removed him from the platform. And I asked him, why is he here? He said he saw the link, that's why he joined. And I said, Philip, you are in this platform for almost 9 months that we create the platform, and he's part of the redeclaration that he didn't put it down. And I asked him, what is he doing here before I kick him out? I reached out to this man 2 days ago, and I told him, whatever this general told you, take it very serious. Don't let this man lay calls on you because his hand is clean. If this man lay calls on you, it will affect that. It will affect him.
That is Atta'ck trying to position himself as an angel, as an eagle, But everything has turned around. They are not complaining. They are the one not complaining. That something that you guys drive joy in doing. How is it not a problem to you? You love bringing the commanders, you guys love bringing them out just to validate your identity for relevance. You see how the whole thing has turned around. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about all this discussed so far. This is just one of it, and we are going to keep our eyes on that. I believe more of them are going to come out to react on that incident. Take care of yourself, and please make sure you join us later when we are going to come back. Like the video and share it. See you again. God bless you and take care of yourself.